Yo, so what's going on, guys? So I'm back with another trade recap. It's 10 a.m. I actually think Jolts, the high impact news, is dropping right now as we speak. But as you can see, I'm already done for the day. So I'm gonna give you guys the recap, the breakdown on what I thought today, and how I made $1,200 actually on my eval today. Also, I execute on Tradeovate. That's why like the execution marks aren't here. But yeah. So, anyways, going into today, let me go on the 4 hour. Let me just get rid of ES for a second. So there were multiple things that could have happened today, right? Let me get rid of this. Sorry, that is irrelevant. So there's multiple things that could have happened today. So when we came into market open, we were sitting around this area, right? So we had draws higher, which was this 4 hour high or this 4 hour fair value gap. And then if we wanted to go lower, we also had these hourly lows here. I think this was an hourly fair value gap, which if I look, yep, hourly fair value gap. We had these hourly lows, and then we had this overall like 4 hour, 1 hour low. So let me go to market open now. Today was a scary one. Scary one, I would say. So overall, my direction and what I wanted to see was longs. Given that we are already bullish in this leg, we have this pretty obvious high that we're heading towards, and we also have this 4 hour fair value gap that never got filled from yesterday, right? So very obvious targets to me. That's definitely what I wanted to see. I was also just open to the fact that we might push lower. So that's why I had the draws marked out lower here. So if we go on the 50 minute, the 5 minute, you see we're kind of just like sitting in this range going into market open. Market open was right here. So this 930 candle. So we had pushed up. We had two bullish candles. Then we had a pretty aggressive bearish candle down. Now ES was also pretty much doing the same thing. We were just kind of sitting around the same area, not really doing too much. And then honestly, this trade was more discretionary than anything, honestly. When I saw this bullish 1 minute candle form and it closed really strongly like that, which also correlates to the 5 minute. So this 5 minute candle is just a really nice 5 minute displacing candle. And I liked it enough to where I pulled on that. Now, looking back at it, I felt like this was a little bit of a snipe. Considering the moment I entered, we're still 115 points away from the draw. So it definitely isn't the best trade in the world. I can definitely admit that I definitely could have been a little bit more patient with the entry today. Because as you could see, even after we entered on the 5 minute close, I immediately was in drawdown for I think like 10 minutes. So honestly, once it started pulling back aggressively like this, I was like, okay, yeah, I lost this trade. Like I was fully accepting of like, yeah, I'm gonna lose this. It is what it is. Was a pretty aggressive entry. Voice crack. Was a pretty aggressive entry, but I liked it. So that was the most important thing for me. And then I just targeted a 1.5 risk to reward. Although I did close on this candle right here a little early. ES actually over here took the draw that I was targeting before NQ did. So I had closed early just out of, I guess you could say fear of really just it reversing. So I just secured I secured $1,232 today. I was in drawdown a little bit before my win yesterday on my eval. So I still need, I think I still need around like 1,700, I believe. Yeah, roughly. Yeah, around $1,700 to pass the eval. So that's just kind of where I'm at, where I'm sitting at right now on the account. So yeah, man, good trade. I liked it. I'm just glad March is over. March was a horrible month, so hopefully next month is a lot better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys smash a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one.